Hello guys, you tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. This version 3GB RAM memory at 64GB internal memory. Okay, open box. Look complementation. In complementation we have table in the gray color and complementation to device. Adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. That's all complementation. Standard complementation for tablets. Okay, device made of plastic. On the back side camera, main camera 8 megapixels, front camera 2 megapixels, display 8.7 inch. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. On this side slot for micro SD card, this Wi-Fi version. Okay, in LTE version, internet version, we have slot for nano SIM card on this. Right side power key and long case. Second speaker. Okay, and turn on display. HD resolution, TFT matrix, Android 11, 1UI Core 3.1. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have CPU Helio P22T, this octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU PowerVR. Look results. CPU test results, single core score and multi-core score. And look GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark results. GPU test results doesn't work. Don't have GPU results. Onto the benchmark result. Okay. Close this and open demanded game Power Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, start game. Game works good on the low graphic level, low graphic, without lags and glitches. We can play on the low graphic in this game. Okay, it's a good level. Okay, close this, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.